Are you looking to use Tenable for CS benchmark scans and wondering how to get started? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the key steps on how to use Tenable for CS benchmark scans, making the process quick and easy. Stick with us till the end, and we'll reveal how you can access this software for free, along with some exclusive bonuses. First, let's talk about what Tenable is and why it's a great tool for CS benchmark scans. Tenable is a powerful vulnerability scanning platform that helps organizations identify security risks across their entire infrastructure. When it comes to CS benchmark scans, Tenable makes it easy to assess your system's compliance with industry standards, ensuring that you're on track to meet security best practices. But it doesn't stop there. With Tenable, you can continuously monitor your systems for vulnerabilities, helping you stay proactive. Next, let's dive into the process of performing a CS benchmark scan with Tenable. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure you've set up a Tenable account. If you don't have one, you can grab it for free using the link in the description below. Once you've logged in, navigate to the Scans tab. This is where you'll be able to configure and schedule your scans. Choose New Scan and select the CS benchmark template from the options. Now, let's talk about customizing your scan settings. For the second thing, you'll need to select the system or environment you want to scan. Tenable lets you target individual machines or groups of devices, which is great for larger environments. Once you've selected your targets, you can specify scan options such as scan frequency, authentication credentials, and scan depth. Make sure to set these parameters to align with your security requirements. The third thing is interpreting the results. Once your scan is complete, Tenable will provide a detailed report that highlights any vulnerabilities or misconfigurations. The CS benchmark will give you a score based on how well your system complies with the set standards. You'll see a list of areas that need improvement, complete with suggestions on how to resolve them. The interface is user-friendly, so you don't have to be a security expert to understand the results. The fourth thing is automating your scans. Tenable allows you to schedule regular scans, ensuring that your systems stay compliant over time. You can set up recurring scans and receive reports directly to your email, making it easy to stay on top of your security posture without needing to manually initiate scans. Finally, don't forget that Tenable offers robust integration capabilities. You can integrate Tenable with other tools you might be using, such as CM systems, to streamline your security processes. This makes it even easier to incorporate Tenable's findings into your overall security workflow. Remember, if you're interested in using Tenable for CS benchmark scans, you can access this powerful software completely free from the link below, and we'll even throw in some exclusive bonuses for you. And don't forget, by using the link, you get an extended free trial to make sure Tenable fits your needs. If you're ready to take your system's security to the next level, don't hesitate to give Tenable a try. The step-by-step process we just covered will help you get started with your CS benchmark scans, and now you can stay on top of your security compliance with ease. Thanks for watching!